Hey guys, I'm John from Commercial Bargains. Are you guys interested in screen printing? Well, I'm going to show you all the items that you need in order to screen print. Let's start. First, you're going to need a simple machine. This is a one color, one station. And basically it does one color, and you can put any size aluminum screen on here. I'm going to talk about, you need a screen. This is where you put your design on there. You need a squeegee. This is to grab your ink out of your emulsion coater. You definitely need this to grab your ink and make it smooth. And the caps come off so it's easy to clean, guys. I would recommend a spatula. Any size would do. This is so you're more efficient and use enough paint that you need. Any color for your design, white or black ink, I would recommend to start. Next, in order to burn a design on your aluminum screen, you're gonna need a light bulb. Any light bulb in a dark room will do. First, you wanna get your design out, and then there's other ways to burn it. It takes a while. It takes overnight. But we have other people use UV light. This makes the process much quicker. If you have the design, you could just burn it on here and place it on your screen for quicker access. Otherwise, light bulb works just as fine if it's your first time. Last, you're gonna need photo emulsion remover. What does this do? Well, after you're done with the design, here's one that's already been used by one of our past customers. And if they use the emulsion remover, it cleans the paint off so you can reuse the print again. And if you don't clean it, the paint or ink, it gets caked on, guys, and it becomes unusable, which is not, wastes your money just for a few t-shirts. So your goal is you want to invest in a few dollars to save a little bit of longevity on your aluminum screens. So this is how it works. You put your t-shirt or anything on here, back or front, and you screen it down. And this is where you apply the ink. This is just doing the demo, guys. This is where you apply the ink. And once you're done, it goes up. And your shirt will have the ink on there. And I'll talk about the next one in the next show. We're gonna actually do a live t-shirt making, guys. Hey guys, here are some crucial tips that I want to share with you if you plan on screen printing. Here are some screen printing that has been not washed very well, guys. Here's the tip number one. You want to use photo emulsion remover. That way it cleans the screen very well and allows you to use it for the second, third, fourth, and many uses without getting little paint that's caked on. And I'll show you. Here's one of our most common comments from our customers is because you gotta use, number one is you gotta use emulsion remover. A lot of people try to save money, take shortcuts, and they use paint thinner. Well, I'll tell you what happens with paint thinner is it eats through the glue, eats through the aluminum, and your screen becomes very soft and unusable. And a lot of customers complain that their screens are making holes, or basically the paint thinner is making this become weak, the glue, which just comes apart. So tip number one is make sure you use the right photo remover, emulsion remover, and that'll clean the screen really well. And that's the best tip I can give you is keep it well, use a hose, you spray it on, and the next one of the video I'll share with you next time. So we're gonna get a hose, and we need a sink and all that in this facility. So you need a big tub. But that's tip number one. And tip number two is if you plan to use our simple machine, this is the most important part, is clamping the back part down, guys. If you clamp this down into your wooden station or workbench, it allows you to, definitely makes this come down smoother. But right now we can't clamp it down, but that's one of the best tips I can show you. It makes the clamping and the screen printing much smoother. So that's tip number two. Glad I can help you guys, and please stay tuned for our next screen printing video from Commercial Bargains. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for watching.